Let's talk about diagnosis according to Zhang Fu organ patterns, the liver qi stagnation and urinary bladder qi stagnation. Liver qi stagnation and urinary bladder qi stagnation, this will usually be a recurrent chronic pattern with acute flare-ups that are triggered by stress and emotional issues, resulting in a stagnation of liver qi. Instead of supporting the functions of the urinary bladder by ensuring the free flow of qi in the body, stagnant liver qi means that there is a general tendency to have qi stagnation in the body as a whole, and it can specifically disrupt the qi mechanism in the urinary bladder, resulting in a disruption of the functioning of the urinary bladder. This is because the liver channel traverses the external genitalia and the urinary bladder. In etiology, liver qi stagnation often arises as a consequence of stress, irritation, emotional frustration, and pent-up emotions. Lack of exercise and physical movement can also be factors. Dietary factors or blood loss can result in liver blood deficiency, which can be the underlying cause of liver qi stagnation. Symptoms and signs: inhibited or difficult urination, incomplete urination, urinary disturbances that are provoked or aggravated by stress or emotional factors, urinary disturbances that are worse or occur in the premenstrual period, tightness, pain or distension in the area above the pubic bone, hypochondriac tension, irregular menstrual cycle, premenstrual tension, cold hands and feet, slight swelling along the edge of the tongue, wiry pulse, especially in the left guan and qi position. Key symptoms would be urinary disturbances that are aggravated by emotional factors or that manifest in the premenstrual period. There will be wiry pulse. Our treatment principle would be to spread liver qi and spread qi in the lower jiao and urinary bladder. So the acupuncture points to choose from would be liver 3, LI4, Ren 6, Sanjiao 6, spleen 6, stomach 28, urinary bladder 18, and urinary bladder 28. Needling technique should be spreading. The explanation is liver 3, LI4, and UB18 spread liver qi. Ren 3 and UB28 spread qi in the urinary bladder. Spleen qi, Sanjiao 6, and stomach 28 circulate qi in the lower jiao. Some relevant advice. When liver qi stagnation is a significant aspect of the imbalance, it is important to address the underlying causes of this pattern. There will often be emotional issues involved in the generation of this pattern. If possible, the patient should try and address these issues. If liver qi stagnation is a consequence of liver blood deficiency, the diet should be adjusted to address this aspect. Physical exercise and movement will help to circulate qi in general. It will be especially beneficial if the exercises focusing on the circulating qi in the lower jiao, hula hoops, sit-ups, and rowing machines can help to do this. Massaging the lower jiao is also recommended. Liver qi stagnation and urinary bladder qi can be caused by the following patterns of imbalance: liver qi stagnation and liver blood deficiency. Liver qi stagnation and urinary bladder qi can result in the following patterns of imbalance: urinary bladder blood stagnation, urinary bladder damp heat, or urinary bladder stones. Thank you for listening.